The previous video.
I done already started removing my headliner from my Starlight. So man, we got the headliner on
looking for help. What the fuck can you do that I can't do for myself? All this pain that I felt, no I ain't well. You asked for the
Yo, YouTube man, what's going on man? Today's video we will be installing my Starlights on my Dodge Charger. So man, with that being said, we are going between two different videos. We're going to be working on getting my underground tune still installed on this car, and we're also going to be trying to work on my Starlights. But while we wait on the tune, because we're having difficulties with it, we're just going to go ahead and start on the Starlights. Man, I'm finna go ahead and show y'all the Starlight kit and what all you're going to need to do these Starlights, and I'm also show y'all me removing my headliner and all that. I'm going to try to walk y'all through the whole process. Stars that we got is 600 stars, but with that being said, man, let's go look at the Starlight kit. Alrighty man, so as y'all can see man, here goes everything. As you can see, I got 1,000 thump tacks, as this is what I'm gonna use to poke my holes. And like I said, it is 600 stars, so we got two of these right here, you know what I'm saying? I guess that each one of these holds 300 of the fiber optics. And so the wiring, I was gonna try to do it through my battery, but I don't feel like cutting this wire to do all that. So I guess we're gonna have to run through our cigarette lighter, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna need a cigarette lighter extension so I can run this into the trunk most likely. This right here, I guess just to plug it up to make sure everything works into your wall socket. So it looks like that I won't be running it to my battery because I don't feel like messing with that wire to get that off to my battery. But with that being said, man, and also you need a hot glue gun. Yeah, a hot glue gun, some hot glue sticks, and I don't got that right now, but I will get that later when I get ready for that process. So with that being said, really time to pull out the headliner. A lot of people been telling me that I should do something custom in the headliner. I don't know what I want to do for real, so I'm probably not gonna do no custom words in the headliner unless I think of something as I go. But what I do want to do is do the pillars. Like, you know, the pillars, what I do want to do is put stars on the pillars, so I might try that. So with that being said though, man, I guess it's really time to actually get to removing the headliner. Alright man, so let's get to it. So this right here, what we're gonna start off with, man, this is just held in by clips. So all you gonna have to do is just pull this down. I don't got no cameraman, but I'm sitting here finna tell y'all. I'm finna try to show y'all, but like I say, man, pull this down. You probably just fucking pull it off. Oh! What your, dang, I'm about to break shit. But yeah, like I said, it just literally held in by clips. Don't be scared of it. As you can see, we got that off with no problem, and that's just the first step. So as y'all can see, man, of course, it got a wiring, and you're gonna have to take this wiring out. But it's just a little tab wiring right there. I don't know if y'all can see it, but you just gonna, nah, I said it's just me, but you just self-explanatory on how to get that wiring out. Oh boom, man, we got it out. Look, wiring right there, look, it's just a little tab. All you gotta do is just push that tab back that way, and then boom, it'll clip right on out. Alright, so next, man, is working on these right here. I know it's dark in here, y'all. I know it's dark in here. I know, but hey, I can't help that right now. But you need, just gonna pull this back right here, man. Gonna have a screw up in here. It's a little clip under here that you just pull back and get this screw out. See, under there, it's just gonna be a little simple T20 screw. So what I decided to do was be lazy and get a, he don't got a clue in the fucking world. That's what we finna use to get this screw out. Let's get this on out of there. Fucking drill won't fit off in there. God damn.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal.
Drill won't even fit off in there, man. That's what I get for trying to be lazy. So as y'all see, man, cool. Once you get the screw out, this right here just easily comes right on out. Next up, what you gonna do? Watch this. Extend that out. You know what I'm saying? Oh, hold on. I probably look a little rough right now. Then young nigga need a cut, but
Bitch, shut up. Ain't nobody asked you shit.
Boom. Once you extend that out, get what you gonna do right here. Let's just get that. Oh! Hold on. Might need another tool. Okay, let's try this bad boy. But you gonna get off in that motherfucker. Get it off there. Once you get it in there, get that bad boy off there. Hold on. Bad boy, hold on. We'll be right back. Cool, once you get that bad boy out your way, here you go. Some more T20 screws right here, which are self-explanatory, which you was pulling out. Okay, so cool, we got the screws out. What you gonna do is just pull this down. Boom, it just literally clips. Now, it's connected to a tab. I'm sorry, y'all, the lighting is so bad. but it's connected to a tab in here. With that tab, you're gonna have to reach back here to get that tab out, so we're gonna try to worry about that tab later. Okay, so cool. While we got this hanging right here, we gotta try to move this A pillar, you know what I'm saying? So to move the A pillar, you can probably get away without moving your weather stripping. It's just easier to get that grip, and once you're just pulling it, it's basically you're just pulling this off. I found it easier, man, to just pull off your weather stripping a little bit, and then what you're gonna do is just you get a better grip on it, and you're just gonna pull it. Oh shit, sound like I broke something. Next time I'm gonna use 2 hands, so but y'all can see, man, how that go. Next time I use 2 hands to make it easier, so I don't feel like I'm breaking nothing. But next up, you got this tab right here. It's a tab up in here, as you can see. Just gonna push it in, pull up on that tab. Once you pull up, it comes right on out. Honestly, you don't even need to remove the pillar all the way out, but here it goes. I'm just leave it like that because this is your main focus. But like I said, I do want to try to add some stars onto my pillar. Looking at this pillar, I don't know how that's gonna work. Nah, that's too thick, so I might not be able to add no stars on the pillar. So next up, man, we have is the door handles. You can see it just got a tab right there. So you can see that I just popped that little tab out right here. Do the same to this side. So these screws are in here are a T25. A T20 will not get it. So as you can see, I'm upgrading here to a T25 instead. Okay, cool. We got the door handle off. Let me show y'all. The screws still in. That's great. If y'all can, try to leave your screws in a little bit. Don't pull them all the way out so you can keep up with your screws for what goes to wet. But cool, man. We're just gonna put that over there. And now the headliner is hanging down. So what you can do is be careful of your airbags right here, y'all. Be careful. You can pull your head. Hold on. You can pull your headliner down enough to see that red. I can't show y'all on camera, but I can see it. It's a red tab. Oh my god, hold on. It's a, y'all see that red? That red tab, that goes to this sun visor. And what you're gonna do is unclip that to get the sun visor out. Alright, so we got it out, man. I'm gonna give y'all a walk down. So you see we got it out, but what you wanna do is get you a little tool or something like this and put it under here. On top, well, yeah, on top of here in between it, and then push it up. It's gonna give you a little headache, but once you find it out, man, you'll have it. So boom, same thing you did to this side, of course you're gonna do to the other side. So I'm finna knock out that side, and I'm not gonna record it though. Y'all see, man, we getting somewhere. It's honestly not hard at all, man. It's pretty self-explanatory and stuff, as long as you got your video with you. But yeah, let's go ahead and start on the other side. Y'all see, man, we got those 2 sides done, and we do have a wiring on this side of the pillar that you have to get off. I don't know if y'all can see it from here, but it is a wiring right there that you do need to get off, but we'll come back to that. Right now, what we finna do is just get these back handles off. Kind of the same as the front handle. You pop this little clip off, and then you're gonna have some screws there. And I believe these screws are T20s that's there. Long story short, they are actually T25 like the other door handles. So as y'all know, these door handles have lights on them, so of course you have a wiring that you have to pull out. So you're just gonna simply turn the light around, and behind there is a simple clip out that you can do for the wire. So what we finna do is pull this. You see, I can get it off a little bit, but I'm gonna have to run wiring and all this behind here. So what I'm finna do is pull this off. So of course you're just gonna want to remove your weather stripping. The wiring that I told y'all about here in the front, we finna take that out, because I already got the back out. I ain't show y'all that part because it's just the same as the other side. But remember, that wiring is like right here. You're just gonna simply take that wiring out. As you can see, it's just held in by that little clip right there. So yeah, to get this wire out, man, all you gotta do is pull this red tab up toward, like back towards you, pulling it out upward, and then once you just push it in, squeezing it, pushing it in, then pull it, and it'll come right on out. So man, I believe we are now at the last step that's up in here. It's just gonna be this one little middle screw. You can't miss it, but you're just gonna take out that screw, and then it's gonna be a clip up in here for a wire, and that will be it. So let me pull this down and show y'all the wiring. Hold on. So you can see that wiring. It's like, it's right here, y'all. It's hard to see on camera, but it's right here. As you can see, this is what it runs to right here. So what I'm finna do is pull that wiring on out. Boom, just like that, the headliner is officially out, man. So what I'm finna try to do is see if I can get it pulled out through this door right here. Or maybe I should move the car up and try to, yeah, let's move the car up and try to do the back door. So man, we got the headliner on out. And all honestly, you guys, you're gonna have to fold it up to get it on out of their door. Well, I was folding it too hard since like I said, man, I accidentally cracked this, but it's cool. You can tell, you barely can tell. But yeah, here goes the headliner. I guess now it's time to put some stars in. Okay, so cool, man, we got the headliner out. Now what I'm doing is just taking off all this extra stuff so I can get stars in them areas. Like all this right here, I can't really get no thumbtacks in there and to get the stars up in there, so I'm just taking it off. I really don't think that you need it. Now my biggest problem that I see is this right here. That might be too thick, so what I'm gonna have to do is try to work in a drill and then try to get the thumbtack through there so I can get the stars off all on here. But that's, I don't know, we're gonna have to see what we're gonna do about this plastic. And what I also did was split it off into 4 sections. So what you'll do is divide how many stars you got by 4 sections. That way you can keep up easier about how much you got. What I usually do is get a marker and do the holes, count the holes, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that this time. I might just go straight in with the thumbtacks. So guys, what I'm doing, I found the way to get the thumbtacks through this plastic. What I'm doing is getting my drill. As you can see, I'm using that pointy edge of that drill, and I'm getting right there into that pointy edge of the drill, and then I'm using my force to just push in the thumbtack. So yeah, man, with that being said, let's go ahead and finish knocking out this headliner.
I've been finding myself, looking for help. What the fuck can you do that I can't do for myself? All this pain that I felt, no I ain't well. You asked for the truth, but it's harder to tell. Sorry I hurt you, I'm just...
So let me give y'all an update. As you can see, here we go. See, man, we getting somewhere. And let's go back to work.
Scared to fail, it's 2 ways to do it, it's death or it's jail. Cause no, I'm not perfect, my feelings go stupid. I'm trying not to lose it, ain't trying to go to hell. My drugs have been working, yeah, I've been nervous when I think about finding myself. Inside of my cut, it bitch dirty. Like moving fast might be going.
Alrighty guys, so man, we are fully done putting the thumbtacks in. Now it's time to grab our fiber optics and replace them with the thumbtacks and then hot glue it down. Alrighty, so we got it ran. Now it's just literally picking up your fiber optic, taking out the thumbtack and putting it in. And once you get it in, man, you just put some glue on it with your hot glue gun.
We had it hard, my niggas swiping the card. We don't even know them little boy. I ain't even write shit, I just walk and record. It was me and Lil Bill, he used to come to the crib when I used to stay on the hill. Think I might go to hell, come on some nigga cry me, I find it so hard to forgive. On the way home, TJ was driving.
Now, to be honest, guys, this is all I got done in like an hour and 30 minutes. And I know it looked like a spider web. Like this honestly look crazy. And this gonna take so long. But the reason that it looked like a spider web is because I needed a lot of slack. I can't pull everything tight. The reason I need a lot of slack is because I'm gonna have to wrap all this around the sunroof. So when you open the sunroof, I can have it running along here. And then when I do this other side right here, I'm gonna wrap this around that way. All this gotta get wrapped around the sunroof, so it won't be all this just going across the sunroof.
But it was loaded so you can see. Clutching that chrome, I bought the bourbon, feel like the turd. Fangs on my feet, I went to college, I was enrolled. I should've stayed, should've got my degree. Why are they sleeping on me? KJ hop out with the chop, ain't skipping the beat. I want the green, no CeeLo. It don't need matter.
Alright, so it's the next day. I actually ended up going to sleep. Bruh. This is how much we got. Like, yeah, I promise y'all this is like 10 hours. Y'all do the math, but it's really longer than that. I promise y'all, I started at like 11 o'clock in the morning. No, like 10 o'clock in the morning. And I didn't end up finishing up to what I was doing for the night until like 2 in the morning. So that tells y'all how long this Starlight stuff take. For real, for real. But yeah, I'm finna go ahead and try to get back up on it. Right now, it is currently 8:30 a.m. I will probably give it to like 11, probably like 12 or 11. for me just to finish this part, and then I got to get the headliner off in there, and then you know you got to cut them. That'll be the easy part, just cutting them. But once you got these things glued, man, it's really almost barbecue chicken from there. But hey, it's back to doing this. All right, man. So update is y'all. All right, man. As y'all can see though, we getting somewhere. Goddamn, we really ain't got that much left. They about like 50, and then yeah. All right, so you two, man, we finally done doing the Starlights. Yeah, just putting in, you know, gluing them down. Now we gotta sort all the wiring out, you know, so I won't have all the wiring showing through the sunroof. Sort that out, and then after that we gotta cut it inside the car.
You say what? You want smoke? Then we apply the pressure. Got rid of the pack, solo Owen, then I smoke the extra. If a nigga come through on some tough shit, put him on the stretcher.
Alright, so you too, man. As y'all can see, man, we got the headliner back in. We got all these hanging. So we gotta chop these up, and after we chop these up, we gotta put everything back together. But we already ran our power source on the Starlights, and the power source is in the glove department. So with that being said, man, let's chop all these up.
Going crazy on Ride Starlight, I been serving all the traffic. I'm living good, bought a ass, I see this bitch fast. When I'm in my hood, they show me love, but I'm still pistol packing. I wanna eat, won't take no per, my daddy turn to addict. Ride Starlights down, I done fell in love fast. Geeked up, rolling, I been going, it done turned to habit. She want more, gotta go, bitch, I ain't trying to have it. We want war, all my guns, they came out automatic. This rock star life came with shit I can't imagine. I come from none, when I was young, I made it happen. I won't change by that shit. I come from stealing out the crib, my mama know I gotta get rich. Found out my dog, he was a snitch. He took the stand, I plead the fifth. And that's some shit I won't forget. But now it's back. Rockstar life, I ain't tryna switch. We come from none, I ain't think this shit exists.
And you gotta look for the look. Y'all can barely even tell I got stars in here, like, because the headline looks so smooth. But for the grand finale, man, there we go. Let's cut it together. Let's cut it together. Cut it together.
Come on.
3, 2, 1. Just like that, y'all.
Now you gotta turn this bit on now.
Alrighty, y'all. Now it's time to reveal the stars. And it's daytime. Oh, we forgot some. Hold on. But y'all can see, chat. Here we go. I feel like it's not nighttime yet, so you know that's why it don't feel like that many. But yeah.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. This ain't nighttime gonna go.
Yeah, this is kind of, it ain't that bad. Looks nice.
Keys, belly dreams, I've been tripping about a million. Break hearts, I leave it. Girl, I'm not a villain. AR-15, lot of guns, lot of killers. Why don't you see I've been working, I've been living. I've been stacking, trying to get these niggas cash like a fit. Living dice like a sip, I've been turning on my city. I've been turning like a flame. I come to shoot, time my wrist, I feel like damn.
That's it talking, oh God.